There's a reason why certain things in your life are not moving. Not because you're not trying, but because something deeper is not yet aligned. And today, you're about to experience a simple practice that can begin to change that. This is not just a meditation. This is a practice rooted in the wisdom of Lalita Sahasranama, a process that works from within you to transform what you experience outside. You begin to see differently, you begin to respond differently, and slowly, life begins to respond differently. But for this to truly work, there are few things you must understand, not as information, but as something you can experience. If you've been following this channel through our Tirumandiram series or the Panchabodha Temple series, you already know this body is not just physical, it carries deeper truths. In the Lalita Sahasranama, especially in the names 475 to 534, there is a profound description of the Divine Mother as residing within us through the 6 chakras, guiding the Kundalini energy upward from the Mooladhara chakra to the Agnya and ultimately to the Sahasrara. These names also describe her presence in each center, the yogini associated and the subtle attributes within. And in another name, she is revered as Shatchakropari Samstita, the one who abides across these inner centers. Now, you don't have to understand all of this deeply this instant. We will uncover this slowly in our future videos. But just know this, within you, there is an energy system. When this energy flows in balance, your mind becomes clear, your emotions become steady, and your actions become aligned. But when this energy is disturbed or blocked within these centers, it can appear as fear, self-doubt, anger, confusion, or even a feeling that life is not moving forward. And when these inner blocks begin to clear, something powerful happens. Your perception changes. Your responses become calmer. You gain courage. And slowly, the way life unfolds around you begins to change. You begin to attract situations that support your growth. In this meditation, at a deeper stage, we will gently invoke Mahaganapati through the name Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yantra Praharshita. In our Lalitopakyana series, we have explained the story of how Mahaganapati removes the Vigna Yantra and also how this applies within us, clearing both external and internal obstacles. If you wish to understand that deeply, you can explore the link below. But for now, understand this simply. The same Mahaganapati who removes obstacles is not somewhere far away. He's not outside you. He awakens within you. And as you gently repeat this name within yourself, allow yourself to feel that the blocks within you are being cleared, especially at the Mooladhara chakra, the very foundation of your energy. If the Sanskrit feels unfamiliar, you don't have to worry about getting it perfect. You may simply feel the meaning within. Remove all obstacles. The intention only matters. As you begin this meditation, you may gently bring your awareness to either the Mooladhara chakra or the Agnya, the third eye center. If a form arises naturally, you may allow it. But more importantly, stay with the feeling of trust. Do not try to control your mind. Do not try to stop your thoughts. Do not try to achieve something. Your only role is to be consciously aware. You may feel calm, you may feel restless, you may feel emotional, or even nothing at all. All of it is perfectly fine. Because this is not about what you feel immediately, but what begins to shift silently within you. If you feel connected to this, you may commit to this practice for 41 days, preferably early morning, that is Brahma Muhurta, or before you begin your routine life, with complete trust. not just during meditation, but through your day. Whenever you feel fear or doubt or confusion, you may gently repeat Mahaganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yantra Praharshita, or simply feel within, my obstacles are being cleared through grace, and remain in the knowing that the divine is already working within you. This works best not with effort but with complete trust and surrender. The meditation link is shared below. If you prefer a completely uninterrupted experience, I'll also be sharing an audio version that you can download and listen to anytime. I'll be sharing it through our WhatsApp channel along with simple guidance to help you go deeper into this practice. If you'd like reminders and guidance, you may also join our WhatsApp channel where we stay connected. Once you complete this meditation, come back and share your experience, because sometimes your experience becomes the path for someone else. And remember, you are not trying to reach somewhere. You are allowing something to awaken within you. If this resonated with you, share this with someone who may be waiting for this. Don't forget to come back and share your experience. Your support helps to reach those who are seeking. Trust the process and allow it to unfold. Shri Matre Namaha.